Hello everyone. In the previous video, we discussed that there are 4 natural systems sent by the God, which are involved in the process of the uptaking of deeper nutrients, and making them available to the roots of any plants in the forest. In that, we discussed the food cycle. Now we will learn about capillary force, how this capillary force helps in uptaking of deeper nutrients, and make them available to the roots we will discuss now. In the natural soil, there are continuous gaps between 2 soil layers. These vacuoles are called porous spaces or soil vacuoles. And these porous spaces are linked together from the topsoil to internal soil also. So when monsoon rains are coming, and when the raindrop touches the surface of the soil, the rainwater is percolated inside the soil. And all the raindrops, or rainwater, is going down into the internal water reservoir through this link of the porous spaces and is deposited in the internal water reservoir. Throughout the rainy season, the roots of plants are getting moisture easily by means of rainwater. Because of this continuous rainwater availability process in the rainy season, we are not going to irrigate the land, not necessary at all. But when the rainy season is completed, the roots are uppermost state of the soil. Internal water reservoir is too far away from the roots, maybe 20 to 30 feet away. There is no rainwater. There is no monsoon now. How the plant will survive for the permanent survival of the roots, the plants. God has given the contract to take the internal water and supply it to the roots through capillary force. By means of the capillary force, this deeper rain deposited moisture is continuously coming up towards the root zone because of the capillary force. But when the moisture is coming, it is not coming alone. There is our theory. As per the depth of the soil, nutrient quantity is continuously increasing. Deeper soil is an ocean of nutrients. That means when the deeper depositor rainwater moisture is coming up, an entire deeper ocean of nutrients dissolves in that water. Nitrate, phosphate, potash, micronutrients, all nutrients dissolved in that water. When moisture comes to the root zone, with the moisture, deeper nutrients are also coming and getting available to the roots. Moisture is available, and nutrients are also available. That means this capillary force not only supplies moisture to the root continuously throughout the year, but simultaneously, entire nutrients taken from the deeper soil are available by this capillary force to the roots on the plants continuously throughout the year in drought conditions also. When we use urea is having 46% nitrogen. The remaining 54% part is salts, which are deposited in the gap between 2 soil particles. When urea is combined with water inside the soil, urease enzymes convert urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. Again, with the help of so many species of microorganisms, this ammonia and carbon dioxide are again combined with water, and salts are created. And all salts are deposited in gaps between 2 soil particles. These are the salts. That means, when you are utilizing urea, you continuously deposit salts between 2 soil particles, and the soil becomes entirely barren. Single superphosphate is having 16% phosphate. The remaining 84% is the salts. Again are deposited in the gaps between 2 soil particles. Potassium sulfate is having 48% potash. The remaining 52% salts and, again deposited in between soil particles. That means when you utilize chemical fertilizer, you deposit continuously the salts in the soil in the gap between 2 soil particles. And the entire soil is enriched by salts. And the soil becomes salty. And these salts act as cement concrete. Cement concrete binds the 2 bricks very compactly, so these salts are combined 2 particles in high concentration so that the soil becomes so compact. That rainwater is not percolated inside the soil, entire rainwater is flowing upon the soil, and is gone to the ocean by means of the river. And the internal reservoir is not coming up, and not getting moisture to the roots, not getting nutrients to the roots, automatically plants are dried. Millions of acres of soil in India, before chemical farming commenced, India, which was given 30 quintal paddy production, Now because of these salts entire land became totally barren, no single grass is grown.